Welcome back to this random table where I fix things. This is a Monroe Model KA calculator. You'll notice that I did a video a while back on a Monroe KA calculator that I have, but this is an older version. The one that I have has the glass windows over the register, and this one does not. And this one also, I believe, has an older style motor than the one that I have, and the case is different too. This is one solid piece all the way around, whereas mine has a multi-piece case, and the case doesn't come over the keyboard like this either. Also, this one has a higher capacity on it. Mine only has I think 8 columns. This one has 10. Well, I guess they're both mine now, but my old one. So when I first got this, you can see the crank was bent in shipping, so I turned the crank to make sure that it would turn, and when I did that, the number that was in here disappeared. So that's cause for concern. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this cord off here, if I can. So it's stuck, there we go. And then I'm going to take the register off, see if I can figure out what happened there. Hopefully it's just that the, I think it's a screw on the other side. Hopefully it's just that the, these are the little plastic wheels. So hopefully it just, and that's turning, so I'm going to have to hold both ends. What I'm trying to say is hopefully it's just that the wheel came free from the shaft. I can glue it back on. So the shaft runs all the way through the back of the carriage. So you gotta hold one end and then take the screw out of the other end. And then these should slide forward. Oh, that's not good. So there's pieces of some wheels. Pieces of quite a few wheels. That's unfortunate. And then there's some more back in the back there. This is not going to be fun. If I had to guess what happened here, the carriage is jolted in shipping, and the dial wheels in here collided with the driving wheels down here, and many things broke. I should have found that. Okay, so almost all of them are broken. That's lovely. I'll have to dig those pieces out. So you can see these are the good ones, these are the not good ones. Hopefully I'll be able to find all of the pieces and glue them back together. It looks like they're mostly, solid pieces, so hopefully I can just, glue it back on, whichever one that matches up with. I'm putting it on upside down. So hopefully I can just, glue them back on like that. Hopefully. That's rather irritating though. And actually the same things happened to that one. That's why it disappeared. It's not that the shaft broke free, it's that half the digits are missing. So that's annoying. It's not the end of the world. Assuming I can find all the pieces, they should glue back together okay, hopefully. So what I'm going to have to do is take this case off and see if I can locate all the pieces. And if I can locate all the pieces and glue them back together, I think then we will move on from there. Why is this stuck? Oh. The machine's halfway through the cycle. We're going to worry about that later. First order of business is making sure we can get a good register display, because if you can't get a good register display, the machine is, well, essentially useless if you can't see the results. So that's going to be the first order of business. So I started gluing the pieces back in, and then I noticed that there's a tooth missing here, and there's a tooth missing here. So at this point, my only option is to get a parts machine, and hopefully I can take this apart and replace at least those two that are missing the tooth. And when I do that, if I can do that, I'm going to have to inspect the other ones and make sure that none of them are missing teeth or anything. So that's unfortunate. I'll probably just get just a regular whatever version I can find of this machine, and then just hopefully get at least 2 good wheels out of it, and hopefully that's all I'll need. But I definitely want to get this one working because it's larger capacity than my other one, and the larger capacity version is much less common, especially in this older style.